Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to JM Publishers. I am your teacher Zathir Fatma and the book which we are doing Maths of Nursery. Dear students, today we will learn heavy and light. Let's compare things and see which one is heavy and which one is light. So comparison से हम जानेंगे कौन सी चीज़ heavy है और कौन सी चीज़ light है. Look at these stones. Dear students, look at these stones. This stone is heavy, this big stone is heavy, and this small stone is light. Say with me, heavy, light. Very good. Dear students, now look at these animals. This elephant is heavy, the elephant is heavy, the sheep is light. Say together, elephant, heavy, sheep, light. Dear student, look at here. This school bag is heavy. This book is light. Heavy bag, light book. Dear students, look at the fruits. The watermelon is heavy. The orange is light. Say it again. Watermelon, heavy, orange, light. Picture number 5 में देखिए. Look at the shoes. The big shoes is heavy. The big shoe is heavy. The small shoe is light. Very nice. Picture number 6 में देखिए. Dear students, look at the shape. The big shape is heavy. The small boat is light. Very good. Dear students, let's revise. Heavy means more weight. Light means less weight. Heavy means more weight. Light means less weight. Can you say it? Heavy, light. Dear students, today we learned heavy and light. See you next class. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.